So this is going to be a quick video about this. It's called the Clek P thingy, and it is a car seat protector for their Fllo and Foonf seats. So two popular car seats for kids, and those seats, they tend to collect a lot of stuff on the bottom, as you can imagine, get pretty dirty. So you have this pad that goes at the bottom of your Foonf or your Fllo, and I think it's relatively new from Clek. I bought it direct from them, and basically it goes on the bottom of the seat to protect the seat from getting dirty, stop any spills from going down into the seat where it can cause like smells and mold and things like that, and then make it a little bit easier to clean. It has a waterproof bottom. It has a hole here where the buckle goes through, and it has this back piece that folds up where the other buckles go through. So this should collect any liquids or throw up, anything like that, hold it in here, and then also possibly make the seat a little bit more comfortable because it's adding some padding. So it has the standard sort of material here, and then this is the sort of padded protector for the strap between the child's legs. And then again, on the bottom, it's just a sort of, I don't know what it is, like sort of rubberized nylon type material, which I don't know if it's waterproof, but it'll stop liquids from getting through. And then it's pretty simple. It's a little bit of Velcro here, standard warnings here, and then the instructions are basically just put this thing in the seat and make sure the seat belts are properly routed around it, and that's pretty much it. So let's hop right into the installation. So we have a black car seat. This is a pretty new Fllo. And then here is the P thingy. It's kind of black on black, so we'll do our best with seeing what's going on here, but we'll route these straps around to the extent that we can, kind of hold them here. Put this piece, P thingy goes in the bottom, back piece goes up here, and the seatbelt goes through here, and the Velcro goes around the seatbelt. So basically the seatbelt is routed normally with the Velcro connecting right here, pretty much like that. We'll repeat that for the other side, and we'll route the strap through here.